of you that aren't familiar with ghost striping, they are created when you stripe the same color paint but make the stripes a slightly different hue or sheen. You might see gorgeous examples on classic cars. They used to do that a lot and still do actually when they're redoing them. This can be achieved by using a different top coat, say a satin on the base and a high gloss on the stripe, for example. It can also be done by lightening or darkening your base color by a shade. Or an even easier way of doing this is to use glaze with a pearl or metallic mixed into your base color. Ghost stripes are most visible when the light hits them just right. So adding a metallic or a sheen or a pearl makes it just pop when that light hits it perfectly.